As a patient recovering from Achilles tendon repair, you can expect a journey that requires patience and dedication. Initially, your foot will be in a cast or a boot to protect the tendon as it heals. This period typically lasts for about 6 to 12 weeks. During the first few weeks, you will need to keep your foot elevated as much as possible to reduce swelling. You may also be given crutches to help you move around without putting weight on your foot. Physical therapy will play a crucial role in your recovery. Your physiotherapist will guide you through exercises designed to restore strength and flexibility to your tendon. It's important to follow their instructions carefully and not to rush the process. Pain management is another key aspect of your recovery. You may be prescribed pain relief medication, and it's important to take it as directed. Over-the-counter pain relievers can also be helpful. As you progress, you will gradually be able to put more weight on your foot and return to normal activities. However, full recovery can take several months, and it's important to be patient and not to push yourself too hard. Remember, every patient's recovery journey is unique. Always follow the advice of your healthcare provider and report any concerns or unusual symptoms immediately. By following these guidelines, you can help ensure a successful recovery from Achilles tendon repair.